I've got this property for sale in Port Royale. It's priced really, really well at €275,000. Let's have a look inside here. And although, in fairness, it does need some work, I've done some renders. Have a look at this. If you spent somewhere between 20 and 30,000 euros on this property, you could probably have a kitchen like that. And instead of a lounge like that, you might choose a lounge like that. And instead of a bathroom like that, you might choose a bathroom like that. And you've got 2 double bedrooms in this. So what about, instead of that double bedroom, that double bedroom? At the other end of the apartment, you've got another double bedroom, which you could do something like that. So if you think that's a good price and you feel that you might want to investigate a bit further, give me a shout. All the details are on my website, or go to contactsimon.com and you'll be able to find me there as well. Okay, thanks very much. See you in the next one. Cheers for now.